The question says we should simplify cube root of 12 plus 10th root of 3 minus 6 over divided by 6 divided by root 3. We should simplify this expression. So this is Surdic expression. So how do we go about this? Solution. So when you look at this number in this radical, you have here 12, okay? You have here 3, you have here 3 at the denominator here. So I can make everything equal. And how do I do that? I'll look for two factors of 12 where I can easily find the square root of 1 out of the 2. So when you have 12, when you say 4 times 3, 2 times 6 is still 12. But when you look at this 4 and 3, I can easily find the factor of 4. Okay, I can easily find the square root of 4. Okay, but when you look at this, you can't pick this because you can't look for the square root of any. So the factors you are bringing on board, you must be able to factor out find the square root of one out of the numbers. So here I have 3 into, I have cube root of 4 times 3, okay, plus 10 root 3 minus 6 divided by root 3. So square root of 4 is 2, so it's multiply this, so I have 2 times 3, okay, so root 3, okay, you have to put roots on this, plus 10 root 3 minus 6 root 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 root 3 plus 10 root 3 minus 6 divided by root 3. So since you have the same roots and you're having addition, you can add up. So 6 root 3 plus 10 root 3 is 16 root 3, okay, minus 6 root 3. So we can resolve this as a fraction. So here we have over 1. So my LCM is root 3, okay. So when you divide this with 1, you still have root 3. When you multiply this with this, you have 16 root 3 times root 3, okay, minus, so for here, when you divide this, you have 1 times 6 is 6. So here you have 16 times, when you're multiplying the same roots, okay, it turns to this, you pick out 1, so you have 16 times 3, okay, minus 6 divided by root 3, okay. So from here now, you have 16 times 3 to be 48 minus 6, which is this, over root 3. So when you say, so when you say 6 from 48 minus 6, that gives us 42 roots divided by root 3. So when we simplify this, we have this, but for root 3 to be at the denominator, we can still rationalize this to remove this radical. So we can rationalize this. So how do we do that? So for 42, okay, divided by root 3, so we multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 3. So we say times root 3 over root 3. Okay, why are we doing that? We are doing that to remove this radical. So when you multiply this with this, you have 42 root 3 divided by, when you are multiplying the same radical, so you have 1, you pick out 1 to represent it over 3. So here we can still simplify this. 3 in 4 is 1, 3 in 12 is 4, so you have 14 root 3.